This right here is why I love having adult money, because Ninja, what the heck is this? A pink and blue cotton candy blender just for the girlies, but wait. She's not just a blender, because if you take the blending lid off, it also comes with a tumbler lid and your straw, and then you can drink straight from the cup. This is their Ninja Blendboss, and it's actually a smart blender, so you don't have to do anything fancy, okay? All you gotta do is press the button depending on what you got in here, and it's gonna do all the work and blend perfectly every single time. We have Blend IQ, Smoothie IQ, Ice Crush IQ, and then Paul. I have made smoothies in this bad boy every single day, and when I tell you the best smoothies that I've ever had, the smoothest smoothies that I've ever had, the creamiest smoothies that I've ever had. I fear I'm absolutely obsessed with this. They do have so many cute colors of it, but I believe this color is brand new. So if you're in the market for a new blender, one that's not gonna take up a ton of space and one that's gonna not make you dirty a million dishes, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this one below. Fair warning though, it has sold out quite a few times already, so if you don't see that little orange shopping cart, unfortunately it's sold out again.